Hello guys, my name is Mukti and my today's essay is on pollution. Pollution is the mixing of some harmful or poisonous materials into the natural resources available on the earth. It affects the ordinary living of the species on this planet by disturbing the natural life cycle. Some harmful environmental contaminants created by us in the form of smoke, solid or liquid wastes get intermingled into the environment and pollute it. Pollution can be of many types like noise pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, etc. Air pollution is increasing day by day because of the growing number of automobiles, release of poisonous gases, smoke from industrial companies, etc. in the atmosphere. The air we breathe every moment causes several lung disorders. In this way, soil and water pollution are also caused by the mixing of this with water in drinking water and also some dangerous agrochemicals such as pesticides, fungicides, organic compounds like ether, benzene and some radioactive materials including radium and thorium etc. in soil. We have no safe drinking water, no pure air to inhale, and no pollution-free land to crop. The industrial development and greenhouse effect have adversely affected our ecosystem, leading to climate change. It is the only human who can check the environmental pollution by limiting their bad activities. We can stop environmental pollution by planting more trees and taking care of the existing ones. Reduce the usage of vehicles, reuse and recycle items, proper disposal of waste, saying no to polythene, and maintaining a proper sanitation and cleanliness in our surroundings could also reduce pollution. The issue of pollution needs a public level social awareness programs to destroy by its roots and get complete relief from this issue. It is also the responsibility of every individual to contribute from his level in reducing and preventing pollution. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.